Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the 0xc000007b error for all games on Windows 11. First, we will repair the Visual C++ applications on your system. This fixes most cases of this error. Go to the Start button and type Control Panel, then open it. Now click on Programs and then click on Programs and Features. Here you will see a list of installed programs. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. You will see multiple versions. Do this for each one. Right-click on the first Visual C++ version and click Change. A new window will open. Now click on Repair and wait for it to finish. Once done, close it and repeat the same repair process for all Visual C++ versions installed on your PC. After repairing all of them, restart your computer. If the error still appears, the next step is to verify the game files. Open the game launcher you are using, like Steam, Epic Games, or any other launcher. Now, find the game that is showing the error. Right-click on the game and open its properties. Inside Properties, look for an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files or Verify Game Files. Click on it and wait until the process is complete. This will fix any missing or broken game files automatically. Once done, try launching the game again. If the problem is still not fixed, the last step is reinstalling the game and DirectX. First, uninstall the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. Then reinstall the game from the launcher. Also make sure DirectX is properly installed. You can download and install the latest DirectX version from Microsoft. Once everything is installed, restart your computer one last time and then open the game. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.